in the woods. Whoa. Holy shit balls. The cabin construction, cabin, cottage, whatever you want to call it. It's at a lake, about a block off the actual water. It's on a 2-acre parcel in the woods. Whoa. Holy shit balls. Oh yeah, that's not good. Holy crap. Well, on my way to film day one at the cabin and schmucked a deer. I'm sure some of you won't like that, but he actually, I just barely hit his rear end and he went bouncing off and running into the bush. I think he's actually fine, but I hope he is anyways. Feel bad. That's unfortunate for both my truck and the deer, mostly the deer. My truck could be fixed. So yeah, I feel bad for him. That's pretty crazy though. I've never hit a deer before, and there's many people that do out here. And yeah, I went to show you guys the deer running in the ditch and he just cut across. I'm sure I have video of it, so we'll take a look at that later. Crazy, man. But anyways, going to poor footing, so hopefully that goes well. My coolant is leaking all over, but it's just the overflow tank. So we'll see how far we make it. I don't know. Just have to keep a jug of water or coolant on me. Coolant. Yeah, let's go build a foundation now. They make them every day, son. What, trucks? Yeah. Oh, I ain't worried about that. Oh, okay. Just trade the shit off. Yeah, exactly. I was already thinking about it when I was bouncing all the way up here. This is my boy, Ryan and Pat. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Ryan.
Nice to meet you.
So you got dragged into this with the hope of lots of beer and
all good. We have quite a bit going already. This is within like 15 minutes of being here. Get her done, we got concrete coming at 2. Yep. All right, we got the footing in place. It's all leveled off. String line there, you can see. We think we're on the right lot, so that's good. Cabin should be able to sit on this piece of concrete. We got the deer meat in the back of the truck, ready for dinner. Just kidding. He's fine. Yeah. Here's a couple pads for teleposts to sit on. It's called a footing. There's going to be 3 of them running through the middle. We made 2 boxes and then we'll just pour those first. And then once the concrete sets up, we'll shimmy those off and put them where the other pads go. And then this is the V at the front of the cabin. Fireplace sits on the front of that V. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Just tightening up these wires. These wires just hold those walls from separating when you're pouring concrete. They tend to push out, obviously, because concrete's quite heavy. Yeah, we got them every 8 feet or so. All right, just like that, 5 hours later. There's Dad just getting her done right away. So you can see he got crushed rock put to the top of the footing. That's to pour the concrete pad on top of. So the weeping tile is under here. It's like a perforated pipe, and that lets the water in, and then there's pipes that go into the basement, and then those go into a little sump pit, and then that pumps the water out if you ever have any flooding issues. That takes care of any of that. So then your pump's inside, and you don't have to worry about water in your basement. So this is the forming for the concrete walls. See all the rebar and the ties through there? Now we have to take these sheets of plywood and put them up here, and then we pour concrete inside there. Pretty exciting. It's looking real big now. I'll get another shot of the above view. Just like that, we got her all poured. Standing up here, look at that. It's all braced, concrete's poured, leveled off at the top of that ladder. Good job, everyone. Woo! Got her done.